Hello, researchers have discovered a new attack on the Python package index, PyPI, repository that uses compiled Python code to sidestep detection by application security tools. The vulnerability relates to the full.pyc package and its three files init, main, and full.pyc. Pyc files are compiled bytecode files that are generated by the Python interpreter when a Python program is executed. This allows malicious code to be loaded instead of being imported into the Python import library. Loader scripts such as those discovered in the full.pyc package, Zanki said, contain a minimal amount of Python code and perform a simple action, loading of a compiled Python module. According to the security firm, this exploit leverages the importlib package and the Python binary import file to execute code not present in the pyc file. Thanks for watching. If you enjoy short news like this, please consider subscribing to my channel. Until next time.